knowing what was here. It was more about let's explore, let's see what the soils look like, and then based on lithology that they're seeing with the cores and geophysical logging, they will kind of determine where they want to install a well. You know, the target here is 800 feet. We're down to around 750 feet right now. Today we're out at Salton City. You know, we're doing an exploration project using sonic drill technology, taking core and water sample for quality and potentially installing monitoring wells. Your first water encounter in this area is probably around 30 feet. But if you have a lot of wells going into 30 feet, that water level may drop out. And then you're drilling another hole. So by actually setting these wells deeper, you have a better chance for longevity, you know, keeping this well longer. We already have a general idea of where this well may be based on what we're seeing already. We're going deeper. You know, so like right now we may have seen a good zone, say at 600 feet, but they want to continue deeper to see what's there. Right now we're in more of the softer clay material, so he will probably cut through that pretty quick. You know, if we're into a harder rock formation, sandstones, other materials, it will take a bit more energy and a little bit more time to cut. You know, here this stuff's probably going to go like butter. There were other bidders on the project. That 800-foot target depth kind of scared some of them away. My driller right now, Eddie, the deepest he's gone is 650 feet. So he's already surpassed his record, you know. Of course he'd like to go deeper, but you know, the target here is 800 feet.